It's a nightmare that just happened to become reality. We've lost about 550,000 birds, which we've disposed of, and probably about 2.4 million eggs that we've dumped. So in totality, a quick sum would be close to 100 million that the company has been impacted on its balance sheet.
We are quite concerned about the economic impact, because now that will have impact for the consumers, that will have an impact, on prices.
I think people should prepare themselves that eggs will become a scarce commodity, and if they are to find them, it will be at a cost.